Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm sharing a late night to early AM clean with me. I was showing you guys the grouts that I cleaned a couple of videos ago and how dirty it's making these ones look since I only did that one section in the kitchen and under the counter. So now I'm gonna do this side. This is another high traffic area that gets really dirty. It's about 9:30, maybe 10 when I started filming this. I have Ruby in my headphones on FaceTime. The kids are not here, so you guys saw in my whole house clean with me that I uploaded on Monday. That was like at the end where my kids were about to leave. And the house really hasn't gotten dirty since they have not been here. So you guys will get to see what it looks like when I'm just cleaning up after myself. Last time I showed myself cleaning the grout, someone commented that I had Megan knees, and I do. I also poured some wine. I'm listening to music. Me and Ruby are both listening to music on FaceTime. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that the iPhone could do that now, or FaceTime. And see, I haven't even taken the chairs down since the last time I filmed because the kids have not been here. So I either just go out to eat, or I sit on the couch, or in bed. I still do eat in bed and I have no plans on stopping. Oh, I realized that I didn't put my garbage out and it was getting picked up the next day and I was too scared. So you already know I called Jody like, hey, can you put my trash out to the curb? I'm scared. I gave you guys a little close-up so you can see what it looks like. I'm only cleaning the areas that are dirty. And then after this, I'm going to clean the stovetop. While that dries down, I'm going to offload the dishwasher and load it back up, and then disinfect the sink.
Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay.
I noticed this little spot on the TV. I was sitting here the other night singing. I do that often where I just sit on the entertainment center and sing a bunch of different songs. And I'm always heavily moisturized at night, and I guess I like lean back on it. But anyway, I'm going to do some laundry now. For me, I only have 3 loads. It's linens and then a light load and a dark load. The kids may have had like a couple of pieces in here, but like I said, they weren't here. So this is what my laundry looks like as a single person. I'm tidying up the entryway a little bit. I have some stuff on this table in the shoe console. Those are things that I'm supposed to drop off to my mom's house or Jody's house, and I keep forgetting. I put them here so I won't forget, but for some reason, like if it's not on my schedule, my calendar, or to-do list, I'm not gonna do it, even if I say I will. Now this is dried down. I'm going to scrape it with a card. I can't find my razor still. Ruby's on FaceTime saying how satisfying this was. I tried a few different methods. Since I wasn't satisfied with this, I tried to go in with the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser because it's really good at getting soap scum off, so I thought maybe it would work, but it didn't. So I eventually just went in with the Brillo pad and then just went over it with my multi-purpose cleaner that I make with the alcohol, water, and Dawn. I wouldn't suggest using that DIY spray if you're going to use the stove immediately after, or if you just use it, because there's alcohol in it and alcohol is flammable.
And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
This is the next morning. I ended up going to bed around 3. I went in to get all 3 loads of laundry done and dried so I can fold them today. So I'm just going to strip my bed, wash my sheets, and then fold and put away all of my laundry. I've been adding Dawn to my white loads. I've seen Jackie Ina do this and I love her. I literally just copy everything she does. So that's why I'm doing it, because she did.
What your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la
Had to take my robe off. I was getting a little hot, but I'm covering myself so you guys won't see. Oh, I closed the door so you guys won't see my booty cheeks. I ended up just censoring it out because I'm like, whatever. I mean, there's not really much back there to look at. Not yet, sis. I'm getting back thick.
Ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work.
Now I'm just tidying up my bedroom. I'm waiting for my quilt to finish drying, just putting things back where they go. My bathroom really isn't a mess. I've been cleaning up pretty well after myself, and my kids don't use my bathroom, so it doesn't get really messy. I did also vacuum my room, bathroom, and closet, but I didn't include that part. I think the last thing I did in here was wipe down my mirror because the kids love to touch it with their dirty fingers. And then I showed you guys the end result for the grout. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.